we need another player. Who do we got? Can you play? Can you play? Hey, yo, Grandpa. My boy just got hurt. We need another one for basketball. You want to play?
You young bucks want to ball? You ball?
Yeah.
I'll ball with you.
All right.
I'll ball with you. Boys, ready? Ready for some ball?
Who's this guy?
I'll ball with you. I used to play. Michigan 81. All right, young bucks. I just got to get some stretching out. Gotta get them hand motions. I don't know how the scissors works.
Yeah.
This guy's like 60. What's this guy doing? Is he a clown or something? What?
Getting ready. Stretch out your palms up. You tell your friends. All right, I'm good. All right, boys. Play some ball. All right, ball in. I'm open. Ball in. Oh, yeah. Ain't as young as I was. Backboard. Rebound. All right, my ball. All right, you fellas ready?
I got it.
Fellas ready? Hold on 1 second, son.
What?
I'm ready to play with the big boys? Ready to play with the big boys? Hammer time.
All right, let's go. Let's put this bum away.
Backboard.
Come on, Danny. All right, last one. That's it.
Anybody getting bored? No more. Anybody else getting bored? Anybody want to play some real basketball? Hey! Let's go! Good time, boys.
I got your help.
Get up.
Look at me, can't.
Come on, boss. I got you.
You can't take you.
Oh!
You got it. Oh! All right, let's go. Come on, we got it.
Ready?
Get up. Oh!
Get that out, son. Can't play like that in my house. Can't play like that. Can't play like that, son. I'll block it every time. Come on, play some. Good job, son.
Hey!
Y'all ready? How much defense did you play?
I got it. Yeah.
Wasting your time, son. You ain't gonna get that. That ball ain't got nowhere to go. That ball ain't got nowhere to go. That ball ain't got nowhere to go.
So, tell us about your past basketball career. Where'd you come from?
From Ypsilanti, Michigan. Ever heard of the Fab Five, son?
I've heard of the Fab
Four. Yeah, I was the fifth one. I was the fifth one. Best player in practice. I was good in practice. Made it to national championship '93. I told Chris to call that timeout. Turns out we didn't have one. But that's the luck of the draw. That's 50-50. You know, that's politics goes into that. That's a political thing. You got to do what you got to do in the moment. Worried about that drive? Stay on your man. That's fundamental basketball. Fundamentally sound.
So tell us about your playing style. You seem to tend to start slow. What happens
That's
when
right.
you start to kick it into high gear?
That's right. Well, I just need that one shot to get me going. I start off a little rickety. That happens. It happens. You miss a few shots. You dribble off your own knees. It happens. Once hammer time comes out, though, it's over. It's over. You know, and these young bucks, they just ain't fundamentally sound. They're trying all this alley-ooping, trying all this crossover. All you need is fundamentals. Fundamentally sound. Want me to go to the rack? You want me to dunk it?
Oh! Okay.
I'll take that up top. I'll take that up top.
Oh! All right, let's go. I'm done with this.
Y'all ready? All right, young blood?
Let's go.
How's your ankles holding up? How's your ankles holding up?
Oh, Foster, don't take that.
How's your
Let's go,
ankles, son?
Don't take that.
Got it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, you boys play defense on your own schedule.
Being St. Thomas More Academy's leading point guard, how did it feel getting schooled by a guy in his late 40s with a receding hairline?
You play offense? You give me that cushion? Bucket.
Oh.
Ready for this, son? Ready for this, son?
Oh.
So, Paul, we know that you were recently drafted into the NBA. Are the Lakers going to regret their decision as taking you on as their next year's player?
Probably.
Get out, son. ISO. ISO. Ready for this, son?
Danny, you've scored 1,000 points in your basketball career. What's it going to be like in the hallways at St. Thomas More Academy after hammer time?
To tell you the truth, I'm afraid to show my face. I've proven I could put some points up on the board, and I thought I was a decent player. Hammer time got the best of me, and I don't even know where this guy came from. He comes up here wearing these short shorts. He has no hair, and he's killing all of us. I mean, I didn't know what to do.
As the vertically dominant player on the court today, how did it feel to play in the shadow of an unrealistically dominant player?
I don't know, man. Must have just been hammer time.
So, any last words about today's groundbreaking phenomenon?
It's hammer time.
Y'all too tired. Hammer time's over. I'm gonna hurt y'all. Irons. I'm gonna hurt y'all. Time to go. Time to go.
Hey, wait. Where you go? We need that ball.
You want that ball, son?
Let's go. Let's go. No prisoners. No prisoners. Oh. No. He can't jump out. Have him out.
I got you. Oh.
You got him. He's not.
Let's go. Oh.
He can't.
That's it.
You block that, man. Alright, I'm not
Move in close. Come on, Foster.
Soft for me?
Okay,
Soft for me, son?
This is terrible.
Oh, come up. Want me to go to the rack or you want me to dunk it?
Almost.
Want me to go to the rack? You want me to dunk it?
Cameron, don't jump so.
Hey, come in.
Worried about that drive? Worried about that drive? Dodge your man. Pat, how could you miss a layup? A layup. The sound. Swoosh. The sound. Swoosh. Buckets. Buckets. I'm gonna give you buckets. I'm gonna give you buckets. Cushion. Buckets. It's all for Spirit Week. Y'all gonna play offense? Y'all gonna give me that cushion? Bucket. Bucket. One more. What to do, son?
So, being St. Thomas More Academy.
Can't play like that, son. I'll block it every time.